Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question number 5 for JAMB Past Question English. In each of the questions 1 to 15, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Dupe was promoted for her efficiency. So the word we are looking at is efficiency. Dupe was promoted for her efficiency. The word is efficiency. So which of the following words has a meaning that is opposite to efficiency? Is it ability? Is it incompetence? Is it inconsistency or rudeness? So I'm going to be defining each of these words so that we can pick out the one that is opposite in meaning to efficiency. So first of all, what's the meaning of efficiency? Efficiency simply means the quality of being efficient, something that is effective. Something that is effective or efficient is efficiency, whereas ability simply means the power or capacity to do something. That's the same thing as efficiency, because to be efficient means that you have the ability to do something. That means you can do something. So ability is the power, or you can call it the capacity to do something. So while efficiency simply means capacity to do something well, you're doing it well, that is efficiency. Doing it at all is ability. But incompetence simply means not skillful enough to do something. So you don't have the ability or the skill to do something. It simply means not skillful. Not skillful. Not skillful enough. You don't have the skills. Not skillful enough to do something. That's the meaning of incompetence. Whereas inconsistency simply means having parts or elements that differ from each other. That means you're not in a straight line, you're not consistent. So inconsistency simply means being in parts that are not connected, having parts that differ, parts that are not connected. That means you do one thing today and you do the other tomorrow. So that is the meaning of inconsistency. You're not, somebody cannot see you every day delivering. You may deliver today, tomorrow you're not delivering. Then rudeness, what's the meaning? Impolite or bad manners. Bad mannered. Impolite. So you're not polite, impolite, or bad mannered, then you're rude. If somebody says that you're rude, that means you are bad mannered. So from this you can easily see that efficiency, you're doing something well. Incompetence, you don't have skill enough to do something. So incompetence is the meaning, is the opposite. Ability and efficiency, you can say that they are synonymous. Inconsistent simply means that you're not delivering every time. You deliver today and you fail tomorrow. So it could be synonymous to incompetent, but incompetence simply means you don't have the skill. You're not even delivering at all. Inconsistent, you might deliver today and not deliver tomorrow. Rudeness, your manners are so bad. So the answer there is incompetence. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. Always like and share our videos so that your friends can see them. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop them in the comment section. Subscribe immediately so that you get all that we have to give you. Thank you, and God bless you. See you some other time. Hit the subscribe button immediately. Very, very important. Hit the subscribe button, share our videos so that all your friends can see them and practice with them. Thank you, and God bless you.